Hello everyone, myself Nishika Manna from IPGMER and SSKM Hospital, Kolkata. Today I am uploading the videos on left lung, the various fissures of left lung, the various lobes, the impression of various viscera on the left lung, the root and hilum, the position of the left lung. Hope this will be helpful for you and for further understanding of the things that you are studying. Here I am also uploading some screenshots that I have taken from Moore's Clinical Anatomy textbook. You can refer to that book for study purpose. If you have any queries regarding the video, you can always ask me in the comment section.
Left lung, one oblique fissure, upper and lower lobe, sharp anterior border, blunt posterior border, diaphragmatic circle. Anatomical position. Structures at the hilum of the lung and pulmonary ligament. Structures at the hilum of the lung are the pulmonary artery, then principal bronchus and lower pulmonary vein. Pulmonary artery, principal bronchus, lower pulmonary vein from above downward. From anterior to posterior, upper pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery and from anterior to posterior, lower pulmonary, upper pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery and principal bronchus. From above downward, pulmonary artery, principal bronchus, lower pulmonary vein. From anterior to posterior, upper pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery, principal bronchus. Impression. Cardiac impression for left ventricle. Then, cardiac impression for left ventricle, arch of aorta, descending thoracic aorta, esophagus. In front of esophageal impression, tracheal impression, and branches from the arch of aorta, brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid artery, left subclavian artery. Brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid artery, left subclavian artery, trachea, esophagus, arch of aorta, descending thoracic aorta. Left. Right. Cardiac impression for right atrium, two brachiocephalic vein, right and left brachiocephalic vein, superior vena cava, right atrium, inferior vena cava, arch of azygous vein, then esophageal impression, tracheal impression.
One thing to say here, please always use hand gloves when you are handling with the viscera. Here I am not wearing it, that's why I am mentioning it separately. Hope you will like the video and it will be helpful for you all. If you have any queries regarding the video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe the channel for further understanding of the things that you are studying to make your MBBS journey a smoother one. All the best.